Hey Anthony, this is Larry Powell, Top Shelf Rankings. I really apologize for the delay in getting this video over to you. It has been a crazy last 5 days. So I did get this done, but again, I apologize for the delay in getting this over to you. So what we're going to go over today is the different ways that you can generate more leads for your business using Google, and kind of what that looks like, and we'll kind of go from there. So first off, looking at you guys' Facebook page. Man, it looks like you guys just do some amazing work. I really love this blue kitchen you guys did, or this outdoor kitchen. Looks fantastic. One thing I did notice on your guys' Facebook page, and I might have just missed this somewhere, but you guys don't actually list anywhere on here what cities you actually work out of. So I know for me, like, trying to find the information to put this video together for you, it kind of took some research. But that is something, like, you have potential clients who are looking for your services. They need to know if you actually work in the city they live in. But I did find Bellingham. So I just kind of looked at that and kind of surrounding areas when putting this video together. But that is definitely something you could add to this Facebook page to kind of help you out. So I know you had said you don't have a website up yet. I just wanted to show you an example of a website because there's some key components you really want to keep in mind when the time does come that you're ready for a website, if that is that next step you're looking for your business. So the first one being content. So Google looks at over I think it's like 300 different ranking factors for determining which website is in that top spot. And one of the biggest ones we can influence is content, the amount you have on it. So there was actually a study done by Google. They looked at all the top ranked sites. So those are the ones that are getting all the leads, right? So in that top three. And they looked at how much content each one of these websites had. And what they found is anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words of content or words on this homepage is kind of that sweet spot what all of these websites had. With that content, you also want to make sure that you have the search terms you actually want to be found for in that content as well. And we'll go over a couple of those. But like home remodeling Bellingham, right? That would be a search term you actually want people to find you for. You want Google to rank your website for that search term. And so you want to make sure you have that in your content. Another thing that's really important are click to call buttons. So like people are, when they're going to your website, they're looking for the easiest way to get a hold of you. So I like to do a click to call right up here near the top of the page. You can see one here, another one here. And then also your contact form. So I like to have this up near the top of my websites also, just because people don't want to have to search through your site to figure out how to get a hold of you. The look of the site, pictures showcasing your work are definitely important. But at the end of the day, people want to find the contractor who can go out there and give them a bid the fastest. So that's kind of the things you want to kind of keep in mind. These sites don't have to be over the top. Keep them clean. Showcase some of your work, and you'll be set up and ready to go. So that's kind of the stuff you want to keep in mind when building out your site. So looking at search terms for your business, home remodeling, Bellingham, Washington was one of them that I found. I believe, we'll look again and check in just a sec, but I believe this is getting like 20 searches per month. So that's 20 people who are looking for home remodeling in Bellingham. So as we're looking at the Google search results here, the first thing we see is what's known as the GMB. So this is Google My Business. I couldn't find one of these for your business. If you do have one, that's fantastic. If not, this is a great way to generate leads for your business as well. As you build out these GMBs, make sure you put as much information as possible into this. So, fill out all the services you guys offer. Make sure you have your phone number, your hours, add pictures to it. As much information as possible you want to have onto this. Another big factor for how you actually get this to rank is what's known as citations. Citations is your business name, address, and phone number listed on directory sites across the web. So like a Yelp page would be a citation. Even your Facebook page, if you list your business name, address, and phone number, can count as a citation. And so that's kind of one of the things you would do to rank these. And we actually have tools out there that allow us to see how many citations your competition has, because we want to beat our competition out in every way possible. You can actually use these tools to do, if they have 60 of them, you want to do 70 of them. That way you're going to be guaranteeing that you're going to be beating these guys out. And if you fill out your GMB completely as well, that's what's going to put you ahead of these guys in these rankings. You can actually get like 30% of all of your leads coming in just through these, because people are going to be clicking on them first because it's the first thing they're seeing. Looking at organic search results. This is what we call organic. So being on the first page of Google is very important. I know me personally, like I never go past the first page of Google if I'm looking for something. I'm always going to click on one of these first three businesses. 33% of the search traffic actually goes to this top ranked site right here. So looking at Hudson Remodeling, we'll take a look at their website. So looking at this site, we can see it's very, very, very basic. They hardly have any content on here. I mean, this looks like a very low budget, basic website that doesn't really tell me like, hey, I want to have these guys come remodel my house, because it doesn't really put that out to me, right? So very doable to pass these guys up with the quality of a website that you need for your business. This is a tool we use called Ahrefs. And what this allows me to do is see the back end of the site. So kind of like what causes this site to tick, right? What makes this site generate leads for this business? And so there's a couple things we can see here. The first one is backlinks, referring domains, the number of keywords they're ranking for, and the amount of traffic they're getting to their website per month. So backlinks are important, but referring domains is the most important. So pretty much what this is Google's kind of like a high school popularity contest. So you have the most popular kid in school, we'll call him website A, and you have the least popular kid in school, we'll call him website B. And the most popular kid in school is going to say, hey, you're popular now too to website B. And what's going to happen is it's going to bring up that ranking of website B and make him more popular in Google's eyes. So all of these popularity votes, we'll call those referring domains. So they have 136 popularity votes getting pointed towards their website. So that's not a lot, definitely doable to pass that up. You know, that would take some work, but not unbeatable to pass that number up. Looking at the keywords they're currently ranking for, this is where it gets kind of interesting, is we can actually go through and choose out words for your content as well. So we can see home remodeling, Bellingham, Washington, 20 searches per month. Kitchen remodeling, Bellingham, 20 searches per month. So you're at 40 searches just if you were to rank for those top two. Let's see what else we got here. There's not really a lot. They do a lot of branding to their business itself. So really those are going to be your two best based off of what I'm seeing so far, just looking at their content. But again, very doable to, you know, get those backlinks out there, get those referring domains, you know, those popularity votes pointed towards your website. And you're going to see that improvement moving up the rankings very quickly. So another search term I wanted to really focus on was home builder, Bellingham, Washington. So we can see for that one, Lexar Homes is the top ranked site. This is a large national company. So with this one, we're just focused on this one location page. So you can see they're all over Washington, right? And so we're really just focusing on this one location page and beating this page out specifically. As far as content on this page, again, there's no content. You know, putting that 1,500 words of content on your website, you're going to have no problem passing these guys up. Looking at the back end of their website, we can see that they're actually not showing any backlinks or referring domains, just because this isn't their main page. They're not doing any SEO, as we call it, or search engine optimization to this location page, which is very good for you. It means it'd be very doable to get in here and rank a website for this search term. The searches for this search term, we can see home builder Bellingham, Washington. It's getting 50 searches per month. You know, Bellingham home builders, 20 searches per month. So that's 70, you know, potential searches per month for people who are wanting whole homes built. That, you know, you could really be driving right towards your website and generating a lot of new traffic, a lot of new customers for your business. And then this is what I was able to find. So when I was trying to find your guys' GMB, this is everything that you guys are currently pulling up for right now. So you can see your Better Business Bureau page is the first thing that's popping up under your business name. Then we have your Facebook page, you know, a couple different things in here about your Facebook page. So definitely, like, I would recommend getting that GMB built out first off. I actually have a tutorial video if you're interested in seeing that. I can shoot you the link that kind of walks you through how to do it. But it is pretty straightforward to get that done. So I hope you got something out of this. Again, just to kind of summarize everything. First off, you know, getting a website built for your business is going to be key. That's going to really help you guys out and getting you on Google's radar. Focusing on really getting some high quality referring domains and backlinks pointed towards that site, building out that GMB and getting citations pointed towards it. You know, you're going to be well on your way to generating a lot of new traffic and a lot of new leads for your business just by following those things. You know, if you want to try to tackle all this on your own, you know, definitely use this video. If you have any questions, I'd be more than willing to help you out. If you're looking for someone to kind of take the stuff over for you, you know, it's definitely something that I could help you out with as well. and we could figure something out along those lines as well. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Again, I apologize for the delay in getting this over to you, and talk to you later.